at the gym. Got the spooky shirt. It's Halloween. No, it's not Halloween yet. For today's workout, we're going to start out with some ankle straps. Be sure to check out the description for the link. Starting off with some hamstring curls, we're going to do 4 sets of 15 on each leg. And now we're going to do some booty kickbacks. We're going to do 4 sets of 10 on each leg. Let's work out some hips with some abductors, and we're going to do 4 sets of 10 on each leg. Last one is going to be the reverse lunge, and we're going to do 4 sets of 12 on each leg.